In this video, I will show you how to use a phone as a Roku TV remote. So to do that, simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Roku Remote. From there, simply download the app. The app is currently unavailable in my region, but you can find the install button here, then install the app. After that, open your control center. Make sure that your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi connection that your mobile is. After that, once your app is downloaded, you can simply open the app. From there, log into your account. There you can find devices. Now in the devices section, under available devices, you will find your TV. Simply click on it, then connect. Once your device is connected, you will find this remote menu bar there. You can go up a channel, you can go down a channel, you can adjust your volume from there, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.